Good afternoon, everyone. This is the Hollyland Mars M1 monitor set. They are transceivers, both units, and can be set up to either receive or transmit. This one right now is set to transmit, and this is the one that is set to receive. There's a quarter 20 on both the bottom and the side, along with HDMI in and out, and SDI in, which according to Hollyland is also an SDI out. The stubby transmitter is a battery lock on the back for an MPF battery, and DC power in and out. They do supply you a D-tap to barrel adapter, so you can run these off of a trusty regular V-mount battery or a micro V-mount battery, and the quality on these are outstanding. They are touchscreen monitors on both. They do not interface in any way with the camera, with the exception of the input in and outs, but they are exceptionally well built. And in my last video I mentioned I wish I could hand this unit to you so you could feel the build quality, and this is outstanding. You also have the capability of mounting a follow focus wheel on here and then putting a follow focus motor on your camera. Hopefully you can see the lag time here is extremely minimal. I have been up to 120 feet away, and they claim good connection rates at 400 feet, I believe it is. Really, really outstanding. You've got a lot of different waveforms that you can use here. False colors, zebra stripes. I'm not sure I did a false color there. Just really, really very cool monitor set. Now, I got sold on it because I've been interested in the DJI transmission set, which actually just came out today, for a little over $2,000. I think it's closer to $3,000, and that does not include the follow focus handles, etc., that you would use with your RS2, RS3 Pro, or their new camera. So with the transmission set from them, you would probably easily have $5,000 in equipment to do what you want to do with it. With this, it's the kit was $1,098 for buying two of them. They're coming out with a new bundle with two in the bundle, and that's $999. The thing that really attracted me was the value, and I didn't have any idea about the quality I was going to get in the box, and boy am I surprised. It really is a very, very good set. The other thing is you can set both of these to transmitter and use an A/B camera setup, and use a iPad as the receiver on both sides. When you use the app for on a phone or an iPad, you have the ability to take still shots to the iPad and video to the iPad, whether the camera is actually recording or not, which is really cool. So you could have a cameraman run through the script of a video, and you could be recording it on your iPad and play it back and see if everybody was making their marks, which is pretty nice. And of course, extracting a single frame is useful in a lot of cases. So this is what I consider my medium rig. My small rig would be just this, the cage and the camera with no monitor. Medium is cage, both handles with a monitor. And another reason I bought these was because I didn't want to have a transmitter mounted on my rig and a monitor mounted on my rig, if that makes sense. Having the transmitter built into my monitor in a 5.5-inch form factor, very appealing. I didn't have to have the increased bulk of a transmitter in addition to the monitor, which I do. I have another monitor, but I don't have, well, technically I do have the transmitter. So, but yeah, that adds a lot of bulk. So, a new product on the market, and not many videos, I believe, right now on YouTube. So if you have any questions about these monitors, please let me know in the comments. I will do my best to answer any questions, even though I'm not a very technical person with this stuff. Um, the quality and just overall feel of the units, honestly, I think it's going to just be a game changer for me in a lot of things. Not only interviews, but doing macro photography and videography with them, using my motion control stuff with the monitors and my probe lenses, that sort of thing. It just will help a lot in being able to do focus pulling right from the unit or from this unit in a macro environment where I'm recording. Have a great day, everybody. I'm Jay. Please stay safe. And thanks for stopping by watching my videos. Please, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. It's always a big help. Thank you very much. One last final disclaimer. My channel is way too small really to attract anybody to give me product. Everything that you see here in all of my videos are personally bought out of my own funds. So, the channel is expensive to run. The hobby is very expensive. I enjoy doing it. So if you want to help by just subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button, that's very much appreciated. Thank you very much.